HP app for PCs. How to improve video quality. The HP app is your go-to for managing your HP device and enhancing your digital media. Poly Camera Pro software integrates automatically with the HP app and can be accessed through the video tile. To find support tools to improve your video feed, open the HP app. Then, click the video tile. The Poly Camera Pro software, which is integrated into the HP app, launches. If Poly Camera Pro does not have access to the device's integrated camera, you won't be able to access all the available tools until you enable camera access. To do so, click the Settings button. The Camera Settings page opens with the Let Apps Access Your Camera setting disabled by default. Toggle the Let Apps Access Your Camera switch to On. Poly Camera Pro now has access to the device's camera. Close the camera settings to return to the Poly Camera Pro page in HP app. Poly Camera Pro comes with a suite of tools to configure how you can use your webcam and enhance your video image. The app opens with the left and right side panels opened by default. From the left panel, you can configure your camera and audio settings. There are also sliders you can use to control aspects of how you use the camera. The tools in the right panel enable you to add personalized touches to your screen. You can hide the panels by clicking the buttons at the top of each panel. You can also choose the camera you want to use, whether it is the PC's built-in camera or a connected webcam. To do this, click the Device drop-down and select your camera. In this case, the only option is the HP 5MP camera. Once you've selected your camera, you can select the resolution and frame rate that best fits your use case. 720 pixels, 720p, at 30 frames per second is good for most video conferencing applications, but the highest resolution provided by the PC's camera might be good for recording a presentation or streaming content. When using the webcam, you can leave the background unchanged or blur your background for security reasons. Or you can even use a different background by expanding the background drop-down list and selecting from available templates or your own gallery. The sliders on the left panel can be used to fine-tune some specific camera features. The Spotlight slider increases the contrast between the user and the background by dimming the background to minimize distractions, such as brightly lit backgrounds. With the Retouch Appearance slider, you can enhance your digital appearance on video. The Auto Framing control ensures you stay in the center of the frame, even if you move around. Or, you can manually control the camera zoom and pan to stay in the center of the frame. You can horizontally flip your video feed or rotate the video feed in 90-degree increments. There are several sliders you can use to adjust the look of your video feed. For example, you can control the brightness, hue, saturation, contrast, and background. The anti-flicker setting is off by default, but it can be changed to 50 Hz or 60 Hz, depending on your preference. To configure the audio for your video, click the microphone icon. To choose the microphone you want to use, whether it is the PC's built-in microphone or a connected microphone, click the Device drop-down and select your microphone. Once you've configured your camera and audio settings, you can add some personalized touches from the Scene Gallery in the right panel. You can add a watermark or your personal details. You can scroll down to add a frame or a different background scene. These effects remain visible across all streaming platforms. When sharing presentations, data, or while streaming, you can add a thumbnail overlay to your screen. You can select and configure your thumbnail from the Layers page in the left panel. You can import an image for your thumbnail, add some text or a shape to it, and position the thumbnail in the best place for your feed. If you choose not to be visible during digital activities, you can replace your image with a static image or a photo. Then, once your camera has been configured to suit your needs and it's ready for use, you can click the Record button to record a video session, or click Stream to stream your video session through Polycamera Pro.